All right, so I know what you're thinking. Chuck, 750 wheel horsepower in a street car with street tires, that's way too much. And you may be right, but I'll give you this. The car couldn't be any more fun to drive. Having that kind of... He wants absolutely no part of this. What's up everyone? Chuck with VMP Performance, and as you can see behind me, we've got this 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. This car was brought to us, the guy wanted our brand new Odin supercharger kit, so we hooked him up. But I gotta ask, did we ruin a collector's car? Let's go find out. Alright guys, so we're in this 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt, and there's a couple things that are pretty cool about this car. The first one, and most important one being, it's got our brand new VMP Odin supercharger. What does that mean? Well, it means that this car, instead of the 480 horsepower it came with us at the flywheel, it now makes 750 at the rear wheels. Pretty significant upgrade. How does that affect how the car drives? Well, like any good TVS blower, it doesn't really change much at part throttle. You drive around the car, it feels like an everyday driver. You wouldn't hesitate to let your grandma take this car out, drive to church on Sunday. The difference is when you put your foot into it. Now, the Coyote motor is known for being a high revving engine. It doesn't exactly have super impressive down-load torque numbers. The TVS blower is instant boost. There's no spool up time. It's not a turbo. It's not a Vortec. It's not a Procharger. You put your foot into it, the car just goes. .750 wheel horsepower is a lot of fun. And surprisingly, the car has no issues hooking up whatsoever. No traction problems, the car just plants itself and goes. So what all went into a build like this? Well, it's actually a pretty simple recipe. The car's got our brand new VMP Odin 2.65 liter supercharger with our partners over at Magnuson. It's got the VMP custom cold air intake. It's got a set of long tubes and a VMP custom tune. A little bit of boostane in the tank just for added safety. And that's really it. It's a simple recipe for an amazing street car. It's going to drive like you want it to, but like I said, when you get your foot into it, you better hold on. It's a Bullitt. It's a collector's car. These cars are going to be worth a bunch of money at Meekum someday. You guys have ruined it. You put the supercharger on it. You've modified the way it looks, the way it drives. It's all different now. Honestly, I couldn't disagree more. The Odin supercharger drives like a factory car until you get your foot into it. And then what we did is we just took what the Bullitt had to offer and we made it 10 times better. We gave you the extra power that Ford wanted you to have, and we just added a whole lot of extra spice onto it. For a car that literally just has a blower bolted on top with a set of long tubes and a VMP custom tune, you're not going to get a more fun car to drive, I guarantee it. Alright guys, so there you have it. The 2019 Bullitt with a brand new Odin supercharger. Did we ruin this collector car? I don't think so, but why don't you go ahead and drop a comment below and tell us what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check us out on all of our socials. Give sales and support a call if you want to get an Odin like this for your car. We'll see you guys again next time.